In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to map cyber threat intelligence in Tenable step by step in just a few minutes. If you're looking to understand how to optimize your Tenable platform to protect your business or organization from cyber threats, stick around. I'll make this process clear and actionable. You can actually try Tenable completely for free by clicking the first link in the description, and I've got some exclusive bonuses for you too. But let's dive straight into the core of how to map cyber threat intelligence in Tenable. First, when you're setting up Tenable to map threat intelligence, the first thing you need to do is connect your data sources. Tenable provides integration capabilities with threat intelligence platforms like MSP or even custom data sources. This means you can pull in the most up-to-date threat information into Tenable to strengthen your security posture. You want to make sure your data sources are well connected so that all your cyber threat intelligence can be accessed and acted on in real time. Next thing, once your data sources are integrated, you'll need to configure the threat intelligence feed. Tenable allows you to define and customize the feed so you can track specific threats relevant to your network and systems. You can filter out the noise by focusing on the most critical indicators of compromise, IOCs, such as malicious IPs, domains, or file hashes. By doing this, you're ensuring that you're not overwhelmed with irrelevant data, but instead, receiving actionable intelligence that's tailored to your needs. The third thing you should do is map the incoming threat intelligence to your vulnerability data. This is where Tenable truly shines. By correlating threat intelligence with your asset inventory, you get to visualize exactly how these threats impact your environment. For example, if you know that a particular vulnerability is being exploited by attackers in the wild, Tenable helps you prioritize it so that you can patch or mitigate it before it becomes an issue. The fourth thing you'll want to do is use Tenable's built-in analytics to assess the threat landscape. Tenable offers automated analysis tools that can help you identify patterns, trends, and the most pressing vulnerabilities across your network. This takes a lot of the guesswork out of security operations, enabling you to make smarter decisions faster. Next, let's talk about collaboration. Tenable enables you to share threat intelligence findings with your team or other departments directly from the platform. This collaborative approach ensures that your security team isn't siloed and can respond to threats collectively, especially when real-time coordination is critical. Finally, once your threat intelligence is mapped and your security measures are adjusted, Tenable allows you to continuously monitor and update your threat intelligence as new information comes in. This ensures that your security strategy remains proactive and agile, adapting to new threats as they emerge. You're not just reacting, you're staying one step ahead. And remember, you can get Tenable completely free through the first link in the description, along with exclusive bonuses for a limited time. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently map cyber threat intelligence in Tenable, ensuring that you have the necessary insights to protect your network.